So let's see how to draw a typical stamen. It's a very simple and easy diagram. Just you need to draw the stalk. That's it. And here is a little change you have to add. You have to take a slight curve here. It's a bit like a three-dimensional. Structure, and you have to draw the line of dehiscence in the red color. And we need to thicken this. Yeah. So this is the anther. And this is the filament. And this is the proximal end. And this is the distal end. So this is the way to draw a typical anther. Thank you. Thank you very much.